Greetings, adventurers. We are here at Glendalough State Park, Minnesota. It is an absolute beautiful day, 60 degrees, very windy, and we're going to go on a hike. Okay, adventurers, we have a about 4.5 mile hike planned today. Loops around this lake and Sunset Lake. It is a gorgeous day. I wish it wasn't quite so windy, but it's not too bad. It'll probably get a little better when I get into the trees. But this is a beautiful day. I'm excited for this. I am going to be traveling clockwise around the lake, starting from the trail center or the lodge. Whichever one you want to call it. Woo! That wind, man. Might have to put my jacket on. And I'm sorry, I should have mentioned this, but this is Glendalough State Park, but this is not that lake. This is Annie Battle Lake. This state park is about 5 minutes north of Battle Lake, Minnesota, a small town in central Minnesota. Holy moly, this wind! Anyway, we came out on this nice paved trail. It's very nice, right along the lake here. And I think we follow this around for about a mile, and then it splits again. Woo. Windy! I'm gonna check my weather app, see if I can find out exactly how much wind this is. Right, well, my weather app says it's 37 mile an hour winds. Woo. I use an app called Weather Underground. It's a great app in that it lets you choose the location specifically for your weather. So like here, see, I got it set to Battle Lake, Minnesota. So it's using the Battle Lake, Minnesota weather service over there. So I get more localized weather. And see there, it says the wind speed 38 miles an hour now. All right. I came over here to I have a few cart-in campsites. There's a couple of carts over there. They got a fire pit, picnic table, a nice cleared area. Pretty nice spot. There's a bench which doubles as a food chest. Pretty nice. Right over here you got lake access with a boat. there was like 4 campsites here. And they're numbered through 28, so there's got to be more somewhere else. We are at an unnamed creek here that flows into Annie Battle Lake, and the water is super clear. Look at that. I probably see better on the other side. Yeah, look at that. Just beautiful. Alright, we're rounding the southern corner, starting to head up, head north. Here we got the creek that flows out of Annie Battle Lake. This water is super clear. Okay, and we have cut over across the street here, and now we're going to do the Sunset Lake Loop, which is a 1-mile loop around this little lake right here. Seek won't give me a proper identification. If you know what kind of snakes those are, let me know in the comments. Check out these beautiful prairie grassland right behind me. Look at this. from this point of view, you can kind of see how this is Sunset Lake. Sun's right there, and it sets in the west right about there. So this would be a beautiful spot for sunset. Sunset Lake, everybody. Back here at the parking lot, adventurers. Oh, this was awesome. This was an absolutely gorgeous day today. Oh, this nice breeze. It's a little too breezy, but it was nice. Keeps you cool. The trails here are very easy to follow. Very nice, level. You could probably bike on them. I'm not sure if it's allowed, but I know this paved bike trail. They have bike rentals here. But yeah, these trails are wide, well marked, easy to walk on. Nice and flat, no rocks, no roots or anything. I really enjoyed this Sunset Lake loop. I really enjoyed the prairies and the grassland overlooks. It was absolutely gorgeous. It felt like I could see for miles. So yeah, had a great time. Thank you everyone for joining me. And I hope to see you next week right here on Happy Trail Backpacking.